Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. I'm going to talk about how I failed as an affiliate marketer and then what happened that made me into a successful affiliate marketer, right? I have been a failure of an affiliate marketer for a long time. So what mistakes that I did and how did I overcome that? I will talk about that in this video. So if you're still struggling to be actually making affiliate sales, then you need to watch this video till the end. This is me, or you can say this is YouTube, but for example, this is me. All right, and this is why I was a failure. The number one problem with me was shiny object syndrome. First, I chased after multiple products, right? Different products here, and then I chased after new traffic sources, right? Maybe like Instagram converted better, maybe TikTok converted better, maybe YouTube converted better, right? I was having some success with YouTube, and still I continued finding Instagram, TikTok, and these sort of can't draw here, but you understand the point. So when I was going through this phase, right, purchasing multiple products, trying out multiple traffic sources, I did not have a proven system to work upon, right? And all this action, I was taking action, I was trying to make money, but all this jumbled up action caused me overwhelm, right? It was very overwhelming for me, and it confused me. It confused the heck out of me. I chased after fast. I knew, right? I knew if I could stick with YouTube, I could make money. If I could stick with Instagram for a long term, I could make money. But still, I wanted those fast results, and I chased after products and traffic sources that actually promised me that. But the irony? Like, the irony is that people who think long term tends to get faster results than us here who are just chasing after fast results, right? People who are focusing on one traffic source, focusing on one offer, and they are thinking long term in terms of like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, tends to get faster, more reliable results than people who are struggling and than people who are chasing after fast results. So that's a mistake that I made. So what happened after that? Right, so if I go down below, all these things that we did just accumulated in wasted time and effort. Everything was wasted. If only I could think of long term and stick to one strategy, I could have achieved success a lot faster here. And because of all this wasted effort, my confidence took a hit, right? I became sad, like, why is everything not working? I was tired. I wasted like 1 to 2 years, right? In retrospect, that's a lot of time, but we unknowingly spend a lot of time chasing fast products, chasing those shiny objects, and we don't even realize that we have wasted this much time. And also another mistake that I did that I wanted to share was, like, I wanted to achieve perfection in everything that I did, right? I wanted a video to be perfect. I wanted a landing page to be perfect. I wanted an affiliate offer that was perfect in every sense, which was impossible, right? The only thing that matters in affiliate marketing, in online business, or in your life is taking action, right? And that is massive imperfect action. This will change everything for you. So what did I do? Like, after wasting those 2 years, I started focusing just on one thing that gave me some results, and that was YouTube. This made me more sales than everything combined, and I was still chasing after Instagram, TikToks, and everything. I tried Pinterest, right? Yes, those are great platforms. If you want to do it, if you want to focus on that, then pick one. Pick Instagram, pick TikTok, pick Pinterest, whatever, pick YouTube, and just focus on that. Focus on a proven system on that platform, and you will get success. You will make money with that. So what I did was, I picked YouTube, and then I picked a core offer. All right, a one affiliate offer that I was going to promote it, that I actually believed in, that actually helped me, and just promoted that. When I just did this, right, when I just posted videos after videos and sent them to this core offer here, right, I started to make commissions. It was so simple, yet I was chasing fast results promising products. So look, if you're still struggling, then you are probably doing this. If you're doing this, please comment down in the comment section. One more mistake that I made was vanity metrics, focusing on vanity metrics, right? So when I started YouTube, right, when I was getting some results, I focused on views, like how to get more views, how to get like thousands of views to actually make more money. But the thing was, this was simply not true. The important thing is getting the right kind of views, right? Doesn't matter if you're getting 20, 30, 50, 100 views. If you're getting the right kind of views, these people will translate to sales and you will make money. And that's exactly what I realized. So the secret, right? Everyone wants to know the secret. Let me just tell you the secret mantra, and that is lock in on one system, one product, one strategy, and just do it consistently for the next 30 days. Just do that and you will see the results yourself, right? I'm not even asking 2 months, 3 months, just next 30 days. Can you do that? Do you have that discipline? I am not talking about military discipline here. I'm talking about those few hours, those 3 to 4 hours of focused discipline for next 30 days on one system. Can you do that? You will see results if you do that. So basically what you need to do is, well, what I did, let me tell you what I did. What got me results, what got me the success in affiliate marketing was, when I just started focusing on YouTube and YouTube only, and treated every affiliate promotions, every affiliate offer that I'm promoting, I treated that as a business with a real system behind it, right? This system is important. When you have a system that you are following, then the system will work for you. There is no emotions involved. This is as simple as 1 + 1 is equal to 2. If you do this and if you do this, there is no way that you will not get this result. There is no need of emotions in this, right? You do not need to be scared. You do not need to go your dashboard and refresh and see that $0 over and over again. You create 3 videos on YouTube and you expect to make like $1,000. That will not work, right? Consistent action on the right kind of views, on the right system will make you money, right? Going back to your dashboard and refreshing is simply a result of your past actions. That is the result of your past actions and not future and not present. If you want more numbers on your dashboard, you need to work on your present, and that is whatever strategy that you pick on. So if you want to do YouTube, you do not need a large audience, by the way, right? If you want to do YouTube, then I have created a no fluff, a straight to forward, action focused course here, little 7 module course that I am launching today, and it's called buyer wave method, right? We are going to focus on small views and turn those tiny trickles of buyer intent traffic into a consistent $300 to $1,000 per week affiliate income. I'm not talking about $10,000 per month, $50,000 per month as all those sales pages suggest. This is real income that I make, that anyone can replicate regardless of any experience whatsoever, right? What you can do is, I will leave the link below and you will see this sales page. It's very simple. I'm not a graphic designer. See, I created this in Canva, right? And these are my results. As you can see, 151 views translate into $155, right? 249 views translate into almost $300. This is a repeatable system. Another promo that I did, 491 views I got on this video, that made me $2,500 overall, and in a single day I made $829, and that's commissions. That's not gross revenue. Gross revenue is right here, right? So this is not about one lucky launch. This is what happens when you have a system, all right? And I have talked about all the modules, all the 7 modules that you will learn. I have talked about the journey. I have talked about all the templates and resources that you're going to get. Also, you will get access to the private Facebook group community for my help. If you don't understand anything, post on that Facebook group and I will help you with that, or send me an email, whatever that you prefer. So you can just go ahead and click on this button. So if you click on this button, it will take you to the checkout page on Gumroad. So you come here and you enter your information here, like your card or whatever that payment you want, and you pay it, right? Right now it says $47. That won't be the price. So if I go go back here, that the price will be dropped to $17 because of this launch week. And after 5 days, I will be increasing this to $27 and then later to $47. And I will be adding a lot more modules inside this. Let me just show you inside real quick. So when you purchase buyer review method, you will receive an email like this with the information, and you just need to click on this view content button here, and it will take you to this dashboard here, right? So this is module 0. You need to read this, and you will be able to join my private affiliate action takers Facebook group here. And then it's very simple: winning offer formula. I teach everything: winning offer, finding and vetting your product offer, getting approved, the blueprint, creating bonuses, doing a review page, uploading your video. And this is a repeatable system. Few hours of work will get you paid $300 to $1,000 per week. I do this on a regular basis. This is not me just rehashing any PLR product. This is what I do, and this is what you will learn. And if you take action, you will see results. All right. And everything is action focused. So there is no fluff inside this course. So that's it. So if you want to do this, then get that, and I will see you inside. Cheers.